What's up, bro? Hey, you're not in trouble, but I want you to come out here out of the water and come talk to me, bro. Come out.
What happened?
You're not in trouble.
Yeah.
Right? And nothing happened, but I need to make sure you're okay.
Oh.
Billy, you're not in trouble. I can't stress that enough.
My heart is...
Well, I want to get your heart checked on, but I need you to come out of the water without that chainsaw. Come on out.
Oh, I'm afraid.
No, don't need to be afraid.
We're not here to hurt
You could tell he has a lot of mental issues. For them to try to push the jail thing, it was a little crazy.